So I came across Greystone about 2 years ago. It was a lengthy conversation that I had with Jorge, and Jorge had explained to me their company, what they do, how they deal with investors, and within about 45 minutes, I was completely intrigued. I've got one property through them in the St. Petersburg area, and I've had nothing but an incredible experience. The people in that company, and I've dealt with their property management team, Jorge, Stephanie as well, are extremely responsive, very respectful, understand how far that can take them in business, and they certainly make you feel welcome being a more newer investor in that area, and at least a newer person that's interfacing with them. They have various teams that are dedicated to different specialized tasks. You have, in my experience, I've had access to communicating with all of them. If I ever have a question or some kind of uncertainty, they can usually clear it up succinctly and usually within an hour or so. I've had nothing but amazing experiences with this company.